Hello guys, now we are going to start the next chapter of mathematics, pair of linear equation into variable. Just it we have already studied in 9th and standard linear equations into variable. As you can see, an algebraic expression is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is known as linear equations in two variable, और ये जो दो variables हैं x and y हैं, क्लियर है, where a and b both are not equal to 0. Why a and b both are not equal to 0? Because if a will equal to 0 means there is nothing at here at the place of x, and same if b is equal to 0 means x and y जो है variables उसके जो coefficients हैं a and b वो 0 नहीं होने चाहिए. Then we can say that this is a linear equation in two variable. Is there any problem? No problem. So after here we have to study about pair of linear equations. Clear है? अब इसका pair लेना है. तो suppose an algebraic expression is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, इसी के फॉर्म का है, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Clear है? As you can see here, equation number 1, equation number 2, both are linear equations in two variables, और यहाँ पे भी जो variables हैं वो क्या है, x and y. Clear है? a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 ये सभी क्या है, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 and c2 belongs to real numbers. ये सभी क्या है, real numbers. Clear है? where a1 a2 भी 0 के बराबर नहीं होंगे, b1 b2 भी 0 के बराबर नहीं होंगे. Is that clear? So this equation number 1 and 2 are known as pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. Clear है? Now here next we have to study about some basic terms about these linear equations. If when we solve these linear equations, if we should follow three conditions. First, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Clear है? a1 a2 are the coefficient of x in both the equations. If the ratio of coefficient of x for 1 and 2 is not equal to ratio of coefficient of y, then we can say that the given pair of linear equations have only one solution. Clear है? इसको कि हम बोलेंगे unique solution. Is there any problem? If these pair of linear equations hold this condition, then they have only one solution, means unique solution. Second, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, in this case we can say that this pair of linear equations in two variables gives infinitely many solutions. Clear? If these conditions hold, these both the pair of linear equations, then it gives infinitely many solutions, means बहुत सारे solutions होंगे. Third, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, in this case these pair of linear equations in two variable have no solution. तो इतना समझ में आ गया. Then after it there are two headings: consistent linear equations and inconsistent system of pair of linear equations. Consistent means those pair of linear equation which have at least one solution. Means consistent ऐसा होता है मतलब पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन जिनके पास कम से कम क्या हो, एक सॉल्यूशन हो. These two linear equations are considered as consistent. Consistent pair of linear equation because these two conditions holds at least one solution. तो ये दोनों देगा ना. And here if this condition hold this pair of linear equation means there is no solution at all, then this condition is known as inconsistent. Inconsistent pair of linear equations in two variable. Is that clear? Now as you know, each solution of these linear equations give a unique point on graph line. Clear है? जब कभी भी आप इसके लिए ग्राफ ड्रा करेंगे like this on graph paper, then each solution of this linear equation give a particular point, means unique point on a number line. Clear? Now graph for this condition, if you draw to graph for these conditions for these two linear equations, then these graph lines intersect each other at a single point. Clear है? Suppose कीजिए कि ये फर्स्ट लाइन का ग्राफ है, मीन्स a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 के लिए ग्राफ आपका हो गया a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 के लिए ग्राफ हो गया. सेकेंड ये जो आपका ग्राफ है ये a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2 के लिए. मीन्स if this pair of linear equation hold this condition, then the number lines for both the graph lines intersect only at a single point, and this intersection point is known as the solution of given pair of linear equation. Means यहाँ x की वैल्यू होगी, y की वैल्यू होगी, that is known as the solution of these pair of linear equation, और उसका solution unique होगा. Clear है? For unique solution both graph lines intersect each other at a single point. For infinitely many solutions both graph lines are coincide over each other. Clear है? दोनों ग्राफ लाइन जो होंगे, सपोज a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 एंड a2x प्लस b2y प्लस c2, दोनों ही क्या हो जाएंगे, एक ही लाइन पे कॉन्साइड हो जाएंगे. इट मीन्स दे गिव्स इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस. क्लियर? नाउ फॉर नो सॉल्यूशंस बोथ ग्राफ लाइंस आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. क्लियर? ये हो जाएगा आपका a1x plus b1y plus c1, and this will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Clear? मीन्स नो सोल्यूशन के लिए ग्राफ लाइंस जो होंगे पैरेलल होंगे, इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सोल्यूशन के लिए ग्राफ लाइन जो होंगे कॉन्साइड हो जाएंगे, एंड यूनिक सोल्यूशन के लिए ग्राफ लाइंस होंगे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे एट अ सिंगल पॉइंट. इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व pair of linear equations by using different methods. Clear? Now the next heading is solution of pair of linear equations in two वेरिएबल्स. अब इसके सॉल्यूशंस के बारे में आपको पढ़ना कि इन हाउ मेनी वेज वी कैन सॉल्व दिस पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशंस. तो इसमें आपका फर्स्ट हो जाएगा बाई ग्राफिकल मेथड. बाई ग्राफिकल मेथड. सेकेंड हो जाएगा बाई अलजेब्रिक method. Clear? In algebraic method there are three more solutions. The first one is substitution method, second one is elimination method or eliminating method, and the third one is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication multiplication method. Clear? Now we will start from here by graphical method. To solve the pair of linear equations by graphical method, we need graph paper. Clear? Now let us take an example and solve the problem on the basis of graphical method and find the solutions. Clear? Good.